Hello everyone, this is Team Kuch and our team ID is 2813. In this video, I am going to discuss about the project that we are going to build. The problem statement that we have chosen is drug inventory and supply chain tracking system. Our project is mainly going to be software based. So our proposed solution mainly aims to integrate the three key roles, that is the buyer, seller and admin, into a single platform. It will also have a real-time tracking system that will help to ensure instant updates on the inventory and the overall supply chain system. It will have custom dashboards that will display the content only related to that particular user. So this is the prototype of our project. It will have a login page that will enable users to log in into our website according to their key role. Then we have the landing page. Next we have the seller dashboard. The seller dashboard will have a graphical representation of the drug procurement and all the details about the drug inventory. Basically, it will have the complete overview of the whole drug inventory. It will also have a tabular representation of the top selling drugs and the drugs which are going to expire. Nextly, we have the admin dashboard. Admin dashboard will have access to all the information related to the active buyers and the registered sellers. Additionally, it will also have the information about the registered complaints of the user. Now, let's have a look at the technical approach that would be used in our project. We will be having three clients, the buyer, the seller and the admin, that will be connected to a single server. Apart from the vertical scaling, we'll also be having horizontal scaling in the project. For example, if I talk about Delhi, then all the districts of Delhi will have their own servers that will be connected horizontally to each other and finally to the main server. We will be using PostgreSQL for the database, and our database is going to be decentralized so that if any data leak occurs, then our data remains safe and secure. We'll have a payment gateway that will enable users to use debit card, credit card or UPI. We are also planning to incorporate blockchain through cryptocurrency, but that is completely innovation based. Then we have our buyer, seller and admin. The buyer will have its own properties, for example ID, name, image, card, that will have many-to-many relationship with the items that will have its own specific properties like ID, name, price, that will further have many-to-many relationship with the seller. And all these buyer, seller and admin will be using PostgreSQL plus Prisma. Now these are the tech stacks that will be used in our project. We'll be using Next.js as it is better than others, as we can write the client code and the server side in the same file. For the backend, we'll be using TypeScript. For front end, we'll be using React.js and Tailwind CSS. And for database, we'll be using PostgreSQL plus Prisma. And finally, for the payment gateway, we'll be using Solana. Now let's discuss about the feasibility and viability of our project. Our project is going to be very much viable and feasible with the tech stacks as I discussed earlier. And we might face some challenges and risks in the vertical scaling, but that, as I already said, we will use a Redis server for horizontal load distribution that will help to cope up with that. If I talk about the impacts and benefits of our project, that it will have significant impact in the market. First of all, it will help to enhance the efficiency in drug distribution, which will streamline the entire process and reduce any kind of delays. Nextly, we'll have improved drug availability, which will ensure consistent drug supply by tracking inventory in real time. Then we have the robust quality control. It will implement stringent quality checks throughout the supply chain, which will help to ensure that only safe and effective drugs reach to the patients and to the hospitals. Lastly, it will provide detailed insights into the drug consumption patterns that will help hospitals to forecast the demand accurately and reduce any kind of wastage. These are the references of the research papers that we have used to build our project. So this was all about the project that we are going to make. Thank you.